Hi, welcome to Let's Play Guitar video number 5. We're going to look at movable chord theory. The first step to understanding movable chord theory is you have to understand the notes on your fretboard, and if we're looking at movable E's, we need to know how to play an E chord. So first, let's look at the notes on the fretboard. This is an E. That's your E string, so that's an E note. We know that the first fret is an F note because it's a natural half step, 1 fret. The next note up from there is F sharp. Next one is G, G sharp, and A. So we should know that. That's just a little bit of a review. What this means about playing a movable chord is I can play an E chord, and now I can move it up the guitar neck to make it sound like different chords. So in order to do that, instead of playing my E chord with a traditional fingering, I'm going to play my E chord using these fingers instead. And what that does is it frees up my first finger to be able to bar the frets on my guitar. So because we've learned that this is an F note, to play an F chord, all I have to do is lay my finger flat to bar the first fret, and then let these fingers look like the E chord. And when I strum that, it's now an F. Now this is movable chord theory. So this means I can move this chord all the way up the guitar neck. If I move it here, this chord is now F sharp because this fret, that note right there is an F sharp note, and I'm making my other fingers look like an E chord. If I move it up here, it's now a G chord. I know this is a G chord because this note is G. I bar that fret, and these fingers look like an E shape. If you listen to this G chord and our open G chord, they have a little different tone, but they're the same chord. So that, in a nutshell, is movable chord theory. 2 steps. Find your root note on the string, and then let your other fingers make the shape of the chord. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.